Hey everyone, welcome to Ferocious Fashion. This is Peachy Lady, and today I want to give you an update on my weight loss challenge. This is week 3. Today is Tuesday, but I did my video on my weigh-in yesterday morning when I woke up. So, last week I went to the gym every day except Wednesday and Thursday. For breakfast, I ate protein bars, and then for lunch, I ate chicken breast or a chicken breast salad, and that's it. And then usually at night I don't really snack or anything. I don't eat anything after 6 o'clock, and that's just about it. So up next will be my weigh-in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And everyone have a blessed day.